Hi, everybody. Okay, so we're going to be doing another game from our phonological awareness book. And this one is kind of the next one up from the word comparison. So we want our child to be able to hear words and be able to differentiate and decide if the words are the same or if they're different. So the next level up is kind of being able to hear just individual sounds and decide if those sounds are the same or different. So we're going to move into our game now. And so this is our signal, and I'm going to give you two sounds, and you're going to decide if those sounds are the same or if they're different. And remember, different means not the same. So my turn first. I'll do it and show you how. I'll say two sounds. I'll say if they're the same or different. Listen. S, same or different? Different. I said two different sounds. Do it with me. I'll say two sounds. Tell me if they're the same or different. Listen. Same or different? Same. That's right. I said both times. Okay, your turn. Do it without me. I'll say two sounds. Tell me if they're the same or different. Listen. Zzz, zzz. Same or different? New sounds. Listen. Same or different? New sounds. Listen. Ah, ah. Same or different? Nice job. New sounds. Listen. Same or different? New sounds. Listen. Same or different? Last one. Listen big. New sounds. G, g. Same or different? Nice job. All right. Thank you so much for watching.